Approaching the last 8 minutes of Game 6. Ginebra on top 91-83. D.Y. Tang, handoff, Aranya, 8 to shoot. Handoff, Norwood for 3. Lewis battling hard, he kept that ball alive. And Aranya gets the inside stab. Aranya with 15 points. Just a 6-point game in favor of Ginebra, and foul was called downstairs according to referee Jess Ferrer. Foul is against Mark Isip, his third.
This is sideline flowing for Ginebra, so just one stop probably again will somehow change the momentum and swing back to rain or shine, but they've got to play defense.
Noel missing a 3. Here's Norwood. Rain or shine down by 6. Aranya with a nice move. He lost the ball. It will stay with the Elastopinners with 16 on the shot clock. J.R. Reyes is checking back in to replace Mark Isip. J.R. Reyes with 11 points despite nursing the flu. Tonight, here's Jai Lewis. Gives the ball up. Aranya against Tubid. And Aranya still has the basketball. Swipe. That play was broken up by J.J. Helterbrand. Quick hands by the Ginebra backcourt.
That's going to be number 2 against Gabe Norwood.
If you're rain or shine, you're just waiting for that one big run that can turn things around and change the texture of this game. The question is, will Ginebra allow it? And that's a big basket by J.J. Helterbrand. Helterbrand now with 12 points. Closing in on the halfway mark of the 4th quarter. They send the ball over to Lewis. He turns around. Lewis now 0 out of 5 from the floor.
And once again, Ginebra will just settle down and look for a good shot in this particular play.
6 to shoot. David Noel finds Baguio. 3 to shoot. Baguio for 3. Lewis easily boxing out Billy Mamaril. Lewis with 11 rebounds. Here's D.Y. Tang with a miss. Helterbrand is on the move. Helterbrand will wait for teammates here. They have 17 seconds to operate with. Helterbrand still has the basketball. Hand off Tubid. Tubid. Back to Helterbrand for 3. In and out. Rain or shine, down by 8. Staring at elimination in this game. Tang goes right. Finds Aranya. 11 to shoot. And Aranya will miss. Helterbrand. Tubid against Norwood. And Ronald Tubid will miss the layup. And they'll call a flagrant foul here against Ryan Aranya.
All players please proceed in the shaded area.
Now we saw Ronald Tubid crash to the ground. And here's that play once again. And we saw that left leg by Aranya getting in the way. And there it is. Actually, that time, I'm going to believe that Tubid was not acting at all.
But you know, I think he's very strong. This guy Ronald Tubid. We're talking about his athleticism, but you know, he's solid. And the way he fell, it was just a simple fall that any player would know how to fall in that particular play. It's just that when you look at it, it just really is something different because there was the twisting of the body and
so it looks worse than it actually was.
Yeah.
But just the same, it's going to be a flagrant foul penalty 1. against Ryan Aranya.
But this guy Tubid has been sharing scoring honors together with JJ Helterbrand. That's very, very difficult to do, especially when you're in a team that has a lot of potential scorers. And we were talking about it during the break, because Tubid has also found his place in the Ginebra system. If you notice, they do not try to hog the ball between Helterbrand and Tubid. If somebody's hot, they just let it flow to that particular player, and vice versa. You know, they're not forcing the game to come to themselves.
Coming from Ryan Aranya is Rob Wainwright.
So Wainwright comes in for Ryan Aranya. And Tubid really is one pesky customer. he really has a gift of getting on your nerves. Not everyone has it.
He's playing a solid game. 22 points for Ronald Tubid.
Possession.
But you know, Tubid, he puts that gift to good use.
That's true.
It helps Ginebra win.
And it creates this invisible energy within that Ginebra system.
It gets the crowd in the game. And it creates momentum for Ginebra. Right now, the Gin Kings up by 10 big points. With over 5 minutes remaining here in the fourth. And Helterbrand use the shot clock here. 8 to shoot. Noel to Salvacion for 3. Yes, sir! And this will tie Ginebra's biggest lead of the game. 98-85, a 30-point advantage. And you hear the thundering roar from the Barangay Big Dome. Over 11,000 strong inside the Araneta Coliseum. And Wainwright will miss. And that's a tip-in for Jai Lewis.
And finally, the third point, only for Jai Lewis.
His first field goal tonight. 1 out of 6. And he has 12 rebounds. So make no mistake about it, rain or shine, still in the game. But if that's on Lewis, that's going to be his 5th personal.
You know, it's quite obvious Noel really having a grand time against Jai Lewis. He's just making use of his quickness. The import of Ginebra.
Timeout here for Ginebra. They're up 98-87, under 5 minutes remaining in the fourth.